Hello guys, so what happened in history on September 13th? This series we had kept on hold because of lack of support and the views were less. You can still see the views of videos are like very less, and then you just imagine if you were running a YouTube channel and you have got these kind of views consistently, will you continue this or not? Okay, so at least that thing, if you think, you will understand how much we are asking you to support us in the form of likes and comments. Okay, the more you view and more you support us, we can do free classes. Okay, every subject, every newspaper, everything we can do for free, but we need your support. Okay, so hopefully it will continue in the coming days and we can do more and more such sessions. Okay, so last 4-5 days this series was discontinued. I will try to do it today itself. Okay, all the pending episodes. So September 13th, if you see, internationally, if you see, it is International Chocolate Day. Okay, each day will be something. So this may not be that much significant for UPSC exam and all, but more things will come. Like September 16 is like Ozone Day. Like that, different important days are there. And another day is there World Chocolate Day, July 7th. So there are two different international days. You can just remember it for a GK or a fun fact kind of thing. An interesting thing for your exam is the first European factory set up in India. It is actually by the Portuguese, that we will know because Portuguese is the one who first came to India, and they came to like Calicut in Kerala, and this was the person Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Okay, so this person came and then they established a factory which is the first European factory in India. Same like that, the first British factory which is there in your textbooks and all, that if you know, tell me in comment section where was the first British factory set up and in which year. Okay, now September 13, 1845, Michael Faraday, a very big scientist, you can tell, he discovered the Faraday effect, which is again related to this electromagnetic field and things and all. So you don't have to go detail into it, but a magnetic field on polarized light, that is the Faraday effect, that was discovered on this particular day. Then Israel-Palestine 2023 prelims had a very difficult question, which they asked about a pact which they signed with the mediation of Saudi Arabia. So this again is a similar kind of thing. Oslo Accord. Okay, Oslo Accord is something which the Israeli Prime Minister and the Palestinians, PLO, Palestine Liberation Organization's person, okay, this Mohammed Abbas, they signed a declaration of principles on interim self-government arrangements, commonly referred to as Oslo Accord, at the White House. Okay, so USA is there as the middleman. So Israel accepted the PLO as the representative of the Palestinians, and PLO renounced terrorism and recognized Israel's right to existence in peace. You know, Jewish people and Islam people, they were fighting there for centuries, and even now it is going on. So that a kind of agreement came, Oslo Accords, on September 13, 1993, with the mediation of the White House or USA. Okay, so both sides agreed that Palestine Authority PA would be established and assume governing responsibilities in the West Bank and Gaza Strip over a five-year period. So West Bank, Gaza Strip and all are important points in the map. Okay, today itself go and see where it is. So those places were like either under Israel or Palestine or under Egypt. It went over time, it was going on like from hands to hands. So that kind of an agreement came on this date, and Oslo Accord is an important thing you should know. Okay, so these are the important things which happened for today. And again, for current affairs and other things, please WhatsApp us. There is individual current affair packs, there is combo current affair packs, which are the best sellers also for any competitive exam where current affairs is there. You can use them. So you can come and contact. I'll come up with more new initiatives and announcements. So thank you and have a nice day.